Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing this box of Montecristo Petit Edmundo. This is a box of 10. These also come in boxes of 25 and in tubes. And this box is from June 2024. These cigars used to be my favorite, and I used to smoke them back in the day. I used to buy them for £11 a pop and smoke them left, right and center. Never had an issue with them. They're just great smokes and they're really enjoyable. Let's open these up and have a look. And there you have them. These cigars are 52 ring gauge by 4 3/8 inches in length, and these are medium to full body cigars. I find them to be full body, and I really enjoy them. If you want to have a short smoke in the evening, these cigars are perfect. I got these from Australia and I paid £174 for a box of 10, which is a very good price considering that nowadays in the UK you buy them for around £270 for a box of £27 each, which is pretty good price. With the recent news that in Europe all the prices for tobacco are gonna raise significantly, this is something that I'm not looking forward to. And although I said I'm not gonna buy for the next couple of months, I believe that if this is actually gonna come into effect, I'll have no choice but to spend a couple grand and restock on all my cigars, because I'm not planning on paying the hike in prices. And places like Spain, Gibraltar, Switzerland were for me a place where I'd always buy cigars from. And now that I'm bringing with my UK allowance, but now that I know that this is going to happen, I will definitely take some measures to make sure that I will not be paying the hikes in prices, because it's just not worth it. And at that point it's just better not to smoke at all. So right now I do have a nice collection of cigars, but I will make sure to increase that and make sure that I have enough cigars to last me for many years until I bring myself to buy again. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.